Today going out for a short ride to buy some beverages and fill up the fuel tank. Also today we will discuss some points about what to keep in mind while riding in night. Night riding is a bit different from day riding. We have to keep a few extra points in mind. Well, this is good. We don't have to wait a long time in the intersection. Always keep a good braking distance from the car in front of you, and always check your mirrors before changing any lane. When in one-way highway, it is okay to use the high beam, otherwise the light feels so dim. But whenever you are facing any incoming traffic, always use the dimmer switch. In night, be especially cautious for road intersections, because you cannot see from far if anybody is crossing or not. A lot of bikes don't check their tail light is not working. This is very dangerous. Like the bike just we passed. In night, when tail light is not working, we cannot see the bike from afar. So suppose a car thought that the road is clean and speeding away and suddenly faces the bike in front of him, he cannot actually swerve in right time. So there is a high possibility of crashing into the bike. So if you are riding in bike, which you will have to do, always check that your tail light is working. It is a major safety issue. riding on highway in night is not very tough. You can use high beam all the time, and it gives a good visibility. Turning point. I missed the turn. When merging with traffic, always check for traffic in the other lane. This is Durga Puja time, so everyone is going to see the idols, clad up in new dress and jewelries. So should we go to the inner road or outer road? Let's go with the inner road. The crowd will be very, very hectic. It will really test think there is some problem with this road. It's all right. We'll go from here. In this small area, if this much crowd has come out to see the idols, you can only imagine what is happening in Kolkata and other mega cities. No one will ever guess that this is actually a Corona period. Do they seem to fear the Corona? I don't think so. In this type of road, you have to be really attentive to the incoming traffic. Always keep an eye for these hazards. They can turn up from any side. At night, riding behind a car is sometimes very beneficial if you maintain the distance properly, because then you can get pre-indication of any road hazards or anything, obstruction from the car in front of you. But if you don't keep the proper braking distance, then it is very dangerous. If the car brakes suddenly, then you will eventually collide into it.